Hello everyone! So, as you can already tell, we have a Fashionphile unboxing. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Caleb, and on here you're going to find a lot of things like luxury shopping, reveals, reviews, unboxings, like today, major unboxing coming in a couple minutes, luxury travel, daily vlogs, pretty much anything that has to do with life and style, you're going to find right here on this channel. So before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and say hi to me down in the comments. Also, make sure that you turn on the bell icon so that way you're notified when I post new content every Wednesday and Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Central Time. Now, if watching me here on YouTube isn't enough for you, which I'm sure it's not, of course, I mean, hello, find me over on Instagram, caleb.snell.designer, same name over on TikTok. Now, I promised you, okay, let's get all this confetti out of the way. Woo! So I promised y'all a reveal today, and I'm not going to disappoint. In my last video, my review on the YSL Muse 2 bag, which I hinted at the fact that I'd be buying a Balenciaga bag. I mean, hello, my name's Caleb. Welcome to Balenciaga Anonymous. I am so excited. So of course this arrived Thursday. This week I'm filming this Friday night after work. I tore that box open. I am not gonna lie to you guys. Why would I? Because A, we've covered it before, I'm not a good actor. Whoa, I've never seen this before. I mean, come on, no one's buying it. Not winning any Academy Awards or Oscars anytime soon, but if someone wants to give me a shot, I mean, I could take some acting lessons. I had to open the box, you guys. This is a bag that I have wanted for a minute, a very long time. After I bought my first City bag, and if you aren't already familiar here on my channel, I'll link it down below, but I recently did a video where I discussed my habit, my problem, oh, that's a little negative, my predisposition to buy bags in multiples. I have multiple briefs, multiple City bags now, finally, multiple Fendi peekaboos, you name it, I have multiples. I absolutely love buying multiples. I like the option of switching up looks, different bags, different days. I think this is bag 57 or 58 in my collection. It's really getting out of control. I'm gonna be doing a full collection video here soon for you guys to mark my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, and a very special purchase. I have something amazing on reserve over at Fashionphile. Now some of you know what it is, so shh. Hush, hush, it's a secret. Don't spoil it for everyone. That'll be revealed here in due time, probably in a few weeks. Anyway, I'm rambling. So what comes in a Fashionphile box other than confetti? Well, I got a second calendar, or third, I'm not quite sure. If you remember, I was very nervous that I wasn't going to get the calendar, and I did. If I remember right, October is black. I think I get a Marmont bag and, yep, Empreinte and some YSL wallet on chain number. October is my birthday month, hashtag Big Scorpio Energy, BSE. And of course, the Fashionphile file. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet, or sitting on shelves, I guess. Shout out to Fashionphile. I think it would be fun if maybe we did like new quotes, like quirky, materialistic kind of quotes, like every few months on the Fashionphiles. I think that'd be really fun because we all buy pre-owned bags and we all have at least 20 or 30 of these laying around in our drawers. I have them down in my office, in the bathroom, next to my bed. They're everywhere. Let's shake it up a bit. Ooh, maybe even a fun pink color for like February, Valentine's Day. See where I'm going with that? I've rambled enough and you're probably tired of it, so let's get into the reveal. Like I said, in my last video, the YSL Muse 2 review, link down below, watch it, it's good. I hinted that I bought a Balenciaga City bag, and I asked you guys, what color do you think I bought? And it's really funny, 2 of you actually said some form of purple. I think we had a violet from someone, and then I think, oh, you know, I think if I remember right, Danny O said magenta. I wish it was the limited edition holiday magenta, but it is not. I think there's also a couple votes for white, which isn't far off. I do want a white bag. However, the white midday that I wanted on Fashionphile sold. If you're watching this.
No.
What?
I'm telling them no.
Oh, you're saying no to them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know what you're doing.
Zane's already said no. That's all there is to it. Zane said no. Give me my bag. Okay.
That's not what I said.
Are you telling me no that I can't buy another white one?
I'm telling you no, that they can't offer to sell it.
No, they can't. You can offer to sell it to me. Please, I'll Venmo you, I promise. So, slightly disappointed. The box was a little small for this bag, so before I filmed, I was like, oh, I'm gonna put it all in like it was. It wasn't fitting. I wasn't about to force it, so here we are. Get rid of the box. Now we're on to the good stuff. Are you guys ready? Can you handle this reveal. I don't know if you can. Now this is the last time, the last chance for you to guess the color. So pause this video. I want to see some colors down in the comments. Do you think I got blue? Do you think I got a green? There's a gorgeous cypress one right now on Fashionphile. Did I get pink? Did I get purple? Did I get red? We all know red's not my color, so scratch that one. Anyway, it's time. Okay. So this color is one of my favorites. I have it in one of my clutches. So if you remember what color my envelope clutches are, you're gonna know which color this might be. And before I go any further, I just have to say one thing. This City Bag, which is Arena hardware, so if you watched my Balenciaga guide, you know Arena hardware comes with the metal tags, still has the plastic on the metal tags from 2009. Which would be the first time on this channel that I've revealed a bag and taken the plastic off the hardware. Respect should be paid, am I right? So, but with the new bag, I think I should buy a new wallet soon, right? I have the mint, I have the anthracite, I have a brown, I have another anthracite. Anyway, I've teased you guys enough. Is it time? Not quite yet. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's get into it. I'm getting bored with that. Okay. Wow. Okay. Are you ready? Because I just wanted to let you guys know that as a Balenciaga collector, I am truly excited to add this to my... Okay guys, I'm done. I'm sorry. I've teased you enough. Let's get into it. So this is a very nearly mint condition 2009 Raisin City Bag Arena hardware. Look at this beauty. Now, as you all know, Raisin is one of my favorite Balenciaga colors, and when this popped up on Fashionphile, I had to have it. I wasn't playing any games. In fact, let me tell you, the drama. So I had just placed a bag on reserve, a rather pricey bag, so I had to put this one on reserve too. As you all know, with Fashionphile, you have to wait a full 5 days that the bag has been listed to put it onto reserve. That was the longest 5 days of my life because I missed out with the magenta bag. I didn't want to miss out with this one. So I put it on reserve and now it's here. So this bag, you guys, I kid you not, even the tassels are still pretty firm. Like it's not softened very much. It's not that squishy lived in feel. Like this bag sat on someone's closet shelf for like, what is it, 2009 to now would be 13 years. I'm getting better at math. That's right, yeah, 13 years of just sitting on the shelf, just alone and sad, and now it's in my collection. Really, what was really funny, the same time this popped up on Fashionphile, if any of you other Balenciaga enthusiasts noticed, several other very nearly mint condition cities also hit like that same like stretch of 2 days, also with the plastic still on the tag on the inside, which blows my mind. So I was really hoping, it came with a dust bag, it came with its strap, which I've left in my closet by the way, but it's here, I promise. I knew it wasn't gonna come with a box like my Argent one did. So I was hoping that it would have like all the paperwork and the little leather sample inside one of the zippers. It did not. It's a bummer, but I get to peel the plastic off. And who can say in 2022 that they can peel the plastic off of a Balenciaga tag? I'm sure that number is dwindling, if it's possible. Anyway, so let's dive in. So just like my Argent City Bag, it is the Arena hardware, which is the classic hardware. Oh my, it's just absolutely stunning. The only mark on this bag, if you can even consider it a mark, I honestly think it's just veining, is these two little scuffs here. And now that I'm looking at it, it's just the color of the leather. I'm thinking there might have been a scar or something. So like all Balenciaga bags, this one of course comes with its mirror, which I've already attached to it. And I like what I see. I'm sorry guys, I'm just having fun today. It's Friday night. I had a very stressful week at work. In fact, it's just been a very stressful week for everyone with what's going on in the world right now. I'm just ready to kind of relax this weekend and zone out. So let's do that this weekend. The bag is absolutely gorgeous. So let's get some close-up shots and take a look. All right, you guys, so here we have my new City Bag up close. Look at that color. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Look at that color. Is that not the most gorgeous shade of purple that you've ever seen? As you can tell, I still have all the tassels, which are still pretty, I mean, these are still pretty stiff. These haven't been really relaxed or really used much, which is great. The corners are nearly perfect. I mean, if they're not absolutely perfect, they actually are, which is amazing. Handle, very little, minimal sign of use. Overall, I got so lucky with another nearly new Balenciaga City Bag. So first things first, let's go ahead and get rid of this stupid tag so that way I can start carrying it this week. I have literally been using my YSL Muse 2 ever since I filmed my review the other day. I've literally been in that bag for a week and a half. I really don't want to change because I love it so much, but for this, I definitely will. All right, give me a moment to take all the stuffing out and we'll look at the inside. All right, folks, so I'm about to show you a test. This is how you know a Balenciaga bag hasn't been used much, when it basically stands up on its own. So crazy to me. So before the Balenciaga leather really relaxes, it's still pretty stiff. I mean, after all, it is a leather bag. I mean, it's gonna be fairly stiff. So just the fact that you can set it down and it'll still stand up, it hasn't been used much. Well, there it goes. It is what it is. I mean, it's showbiz, baby. Okay, so inside you'll have the dust bag, which is fabulous. We love a dust bag moment around here. And the piece de resistance, the tag with the sticker still on it. Should we take it off? Should we take it off, folks? All right. Oh my gosh, I feel like Super Jacob peeling the sticker off of a label. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, so some of you are probably screaming inside like, Caleb, why would you take the sticker off after 13 years? First of all, it is horrible for your hardware to leave the sticker on. So for those of you with like the Hermès bags or the Chanel bags, it's going to do more damage to your hardware long term than if you had just, taken it off in the first place. Now, of course, I will be putting it somewhere very special. I have a binder with all of like my tags and booklets that come with everything I buy, so I'll probably place it in that along with the paperwork for this bag. And it's funny because it's actually still, I don't know if you guys can see, but the Balenciaga is still in the plastic. It has been on there for that long. I mean, whoever had this before me, thank you. You took exceptional care of this bag. In fact, I don't even think you carried it. So thank you for that. I greatly appreciate it. Now, with every Balenciaga bag, this one, this is one of the older models, 09, so it doesn't have the secondary pockets over here. You'll have the zippered pocket back in the back. There is a little bit of verdigris from the hardware. So with that, I recommend just taking like a toothpick and softly like scraping away at it. Don't dig too much into the metal because you can scratch the metal, but it will take care of the verdigris or the tarnish from the green. Now with these, just use a simple soft cloth and most of this scuffing will buff out. Not really scuffing, but smudging. It'll all buff out. Now, the back pocket here is very simple, like with any city bag. Just a simple pocket back there. It can hold a pretty decent sized phone. If you guys want a full review on the city bag, I have one here on my channel. Link will be down in the description for you, of course. I mean, I am in love, you guys. I mean, for those of you who guessed a purpley pink color, congratulations. You know me pretty well, I guess. And I am just stoked. It's a gorgeous bag. I can't believe I have another city bag in mint condition. Absolutely amazing. All right, so just for kicks, I wanted to compare it to my 2009 Raisin clutch with the giant covered hardware, just to kind of compare the leathers, and that is a perfect match. Oh, wow. Okay, that's super cool. I honestly think that the 2009 Raisin leather color, it's thicker than some of the other ones, I think. It's just a really nice, rich, waxy leather, and that is absolutely stunning. Talk about a combo. All right, guys, so that is my new to me 2009 Raisin City Bag. What do we think? Was this not one of the most amazing finds? It is in mint condition. We got to peel the plastic off of the plaque, and it's mine. I have gotten so lucky right now with my two city bags. I have my Argent, which if you guys remember came with the box, complete set, gorgeous condition, and now this one's even nicer. I think I should bat 3 for 3, right? Is that a sports thing? Is that a sports term? Bat, bat, bat. I'm gonna try again for a third city bag in perfect condition. I mean, why not? They're gorgeous, and I think these are only going to continue to go up in price. So collectors, start collecting now if you haven't already. Let me know down in the comments what color of Balenciaga city bags you have, because I mean, there are literally so many once you factor in the leather color, hardware size. Do you have giant 12, giant 21, giant covered, blackout? Like there are so many different options when it comes to Balenciaga, and the way that the leather ages and fades, and really no two Balenciaga bags are alike, which is so cool. That's what I love most about the brand. Anyway, you guys, I'm done rambling. Thank you for entertaining me with my dust bag tease that I put you all through. Yeah, Balenciaga, who knew? All right, guys, I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend and stay safe out there, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.